Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Java error that an existing connection was forcibly closed by the remote host. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and this is being performed on a Windows 11 computer, but will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 too. So perhaps it's an issue with Minecraft or another Java incorporated game. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it, and we're going to jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, search for control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to go select Java. So go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to go select the Advanced tab, and now you want to scroll down on this page all the way to the bottom, and you want to locate something underneath Advanced Security Settings. Underneath Advanced Security Settings, there should be something that says Enable the Operating System's Restricted Environment, Native Sandbox. Go ahead and check mark inside of there, and then you want to select Apply and OK. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.